In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change saved password in Microsoft DGE. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in the browser, how to find the login you want, and how to update the saved password safely and correctly. This is especially helpful if you recently changed a password on a website and want Edge to autofill the new one for you next time. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. You can use the desktop shortcut, your taskbar, or your app list, whatever's fastest for you. Look to the top right corner of the Edge window and click the three dots. This is the Settings and More menu, and it's where the browser keeps most of the configuration options. From that menu, choose Settings. This opens a new tab with all of your Edge preferences grouped by category. In the Settings page, select Passwords and Autofill. Depending on your version, you may see a password section grouped with autofill. That's the area we want. This is where Edge manages what it remembers for sign-ins, forms, and payment details. Scroll down to the Saved Passwords list. If you have a lot of entries, use the search bar at the top to quickly find the website you're looking for by typing its name or domain. If it doesn't appear, it may not have been saved previously, or it could be listed under a slightly different site address, so double-check similar entries. When you try to view or change a saved password, Edge will prompt you to verify your identity with your device PIN or your computer account password. This is normal and helps protect your credentials. Enter your Windows or Mac sign-in information to continue. Next to the saved login you want to update, click the More Actions button. It usually looks like three dots next to the entry. Choose Edit or Details. Both options lead you to a view where you can adjust the stored information for that site. Update the password field with the new password exactly as you use it on the website, then select Done or Save. Take a moment to confirm there are no extra spaces or typos, since even a small mistake can prevent autofill from working. If you use Edge Sync across devices, this change will carry over to your other signed-in devices shortly. To be sure everything's set, you can visit the website and sign out and back in once, and Edge should offer the updated password automatically. That's it. You've successfully updated a saved password in Microsoft Edge, keeping your autofill accurate and your browsing smoother.